Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech-ons. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access the Fortnite via Epic Games launcher, and this is that message: launch error, easy anti-cheat is not installed. So how to get rid of this easy anti-cheat not launching issue? So just open your Epic Games launcher and go to your library section. So here you can locate that Fortnite, and then followed by you can press this three dots icon and click on manage. So here you can press this installation location icon and it redirects to the installation folder. So here I try to access Fortnite game and click on this binaries and select Win64. So here you can note one thing: this folder have two easy anti-cheat folders, but you can click to open the second one and launch this easy anti-cheat setup file, and it shows my current game details, but you can try to repair this game service. And this process is completed, so you can close all the windows and again open that Epic Games launcher and go to your library. So same way you can press this three dots icon and click on manage. So now this time you can press this option verify, because this process completely verify these Fortnite game files, and this process may takes up to more time, so be patient. So once the verification process is completed, and then try to launch the Fortnite game. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Tech-ons, and thanks for watching.